This is Ben at Suburban Food Farm. Today we're getting our M7 rootstocks ready to go for some grafting here soon as they break dormancy. But in the meantime, we've got some volunteer suckers that we want to try to harvest. And here's a case where they're coming out reasonably far down, and the soil blend that I used was a little bit heavy, so it's a little less than ideal. So I'm just in there just checking, probing to see if I'm going to be able to rip them off or if I'm going to snip them. I think I just made up my mind that I'm going to snip them. Give that a go. Let's see what we do. So we got, this one came out okay. This one's a little light, as you can see. This last one, I think, we can sort of just massage out, and hopefully this one has a few more roots. And again, this mix is actually pretty heavy, the soil that is. So what do we got? This one here. Obviously that one's looking much better, isn't it? We've been just doing this, going around, gathering little shoots, and we've got a new M7 rootstock. Thanks for watching. Check us out, Suburban Food Farm on Facebook.